Here we go. Wow. Hello guys, it is brand new, IM Motors. You may never heard about this brand before, but it has strong backgrounds. So if I name 3 large corporations, you probably know them well. So the first one is the Alibaba. So Alibaba is a very large e-commerce platform. So they provide service for international and domestic of China. And also the SAIC automakers. So the SAIC automobile company is the largest automaker in China. And the third is the Zhang Jiang High Tech, the silicon of China. 3 large corporations, they work together. So they co-founded this brand, IM Motors. So that's the first answer given by them. The IM L7. This young upstart established on the Christmas of 2020, nearly 1.5 years. Their first production model with a selling price from $55,000 to $60,000. It has been classified as executive electric sedan, 615 kilometers of range under COTC conditions. It has a length of 5,098 mm, 3,100 mm of the wheelbase, and 1,960 mm of the width. The L7 is equipped with 12 ultrasonic radars, 11 high-definition cameras, 5 mm wave radars, 2 high-precision units, and the users could upgrade 2 long-range LiDAR sensors in future. So it could achieve autonomous driving in both city and highway. Okay, so first thing we're going to talk about is very distinctive, the headlight here. So the front face is pretty aggressive. So you guys see this one, that one is called a Sigma, the symbol, and both sides over here. So I just call it the Sigma headlight, and also then this part. So that's the magic lights, which can be programmed. You can see this little cut. So it's pretty adorable, isn't it? And actually, there is a lot of customization you can do on the center screen. And also this one, the DLP. So that's the projector. You guys see that side. So that one is actually project the image. And okay, for example, we choose that one, and you guys can see. We go for this one. This car has a lot of speakers as well. There were 22 speakers around the car. In total, 1,120 watts power output. Yeah, so overall, the front face is quite aggressive and futuristic looking. And we come to this side. So that's 20-inch wheels, and you will got a Brembo brake, and also the P0 tires. Yeah, that's pretty Mica style looking, isn't it? So for the door here, so that's also the auto soft close door as well. So if we don't need to shut it down by too much force, we just gently close. We just put like this, and it's automatically closed by the electric motors here. That is a sign for Williams Advanced Engineering. If you guys are familiar with Formula F1, the F1, so you probably know Williams. So this team, they work together with the IM team for the chassis part. So later I'm going to show you guys to test drive this car. Guys, check this one. So that's the car log camera. So this one can shoot at like 180-degree wide angle and 4K resolution the videos. The internet company, so they're very good at these kind of things. So probably they're going to provide the service for live stream. If you go to some good sailing sport, so this one can live stream straight to your families and to your friends. And if you guys may notice this part, and the haunch is really stick out. It's like maybe 20 or 30 centimeters. It looks like Aston Martin styles. So at the back, and as you can see, this line is chrome. So the black chrome like surrounded the windows, and also this line crossed all the way to the back. Wow, and that's quite sportive looking. And as we can see, this tail lights, and it's just got little rear spoiler here. So that's integrated together. And also we can see these magic lights. They call it ISP. You can customize images. You can do adjustments in the center screen. It's very still sense looking. I think if you guys watch from this side, there are even more crisp line here. Okay, let's check the trunk of the IM L7. So as we can see, the The depth looks alright. I think it probably can fit in like at least the 2 middle-sized luggage over there. So that's the charging port. So you will got the DC charging port or AC charging port, a faster one, and also the home charger one. Of course, it's electronically. Guys, you believe it? So that is the wireless charging pad. So this one actually can power a wireless charging your car. So it got 11 kilowatt hour charging current. So this one can like fully charge your battery around 7 or 8 hours. So that's pretty convenient. So you just plug it into the spot, and then this one is going to automatically charge your car. The performance of IM-L7 is also decent. It's dual motors, all-wheel drive. It comes with 725 Nm of torque, in total 578 horsepower. As the result, 3.87 seconds from 0 to 100 km/h. The drag coefficient is 0.21, which is the same as the Lucid Air, the third most aerodynamic production car in the world. 4-wheel steering. The 12 degree of the rear steering angle in both directions. Alright guys, the car is under sport mode, and the suspension is definitely much stiffer than the standard mode. And now, I'm going to turn this to the racing car. It's called IM Supercar mode. You guys can see this on the screen. It's actually like is lower to this position. So now we go to the racing mode here, and we read the red light finish, and then we're going to speed up. We're going to throttle it and put on the full accelerator. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Oh. You guys see? You can see the effect, the racing mode effect is pretty good, isn't it? And also you see this center screen over here, and all the 3 screen over there. Wow, that's pretty nice. That's pretty futuristic looking. Okay, so we're gonna do that again. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Wow. You guys actually can hear the voice, like zzz. Accelerator is pretty responsive. As we can see, like we just give it a little bit the accelerator, and then it picks up so quickly. Wow, you guys check that side, and you can see all these lights coming like over your face. It's very quick and it's fun. I like it, and that's pretty cool. That's very futuristic and definitely like the racing car. So especially this car has 3.9 seconds at around 3.9 seconds, 578 horsepower. So that's definitely like the sport car, like racing car. It's like and the steering wheel is quite responsive, and you can handle it well. So I'm gonna put on the standard mode here. So actually now the suspension is less stiffer, and so you feel more comfortable. Yeah, and you feel is lighter. The steering wheel leaves more electric force. So when you operate the steering wheel, we're turning left or right. Yeah, that's pretty soft and comfortable. And also you do feel like the bumpers on the road, and also the brake is very good. One thing that needs to be noticed: the suspension. The suspension is the same as the Cadillac's CT6. So the suspension, like they put on the high-end model of the Cadillac's CT6, is overall good over undulations. And also for electric car, the very good thing is they put the battery down below the chassis. Very low center gravity, so it gives you like a very good handling, and then you can definitely feel more rough road surface, the feedbacks, and you do feel more bumpers as well under the sport mode. But under this standard mode is more comfy. It's very flexible for this such long 5.1 meter car. I think that's very decent performance. See, if we go a little like bump, so the suspension is give you like it's absorbing the small vibrations. As we can see, this rough road surface is not very good, and the suspension give you like a direct, it's less direct than the sport mode, and so it's absorbing the vibrations. It's overall good over the undulations, and I can feel the sound insulation is actually good. It's quiet in the cabin, and you won't feel too much the noise from the road, and because it's due to the double layer insulated glasses. I think that's very good for frameless windows. But now the thing is, like if you drive like around 60, You hear a little bit, but it's not too much. I think it's overall is pretty good. And comes to the steering wheel parts here. This part is not like exactly the circle steering wheel, and you can take a good control of the car. But I do hope they could make like little bit, like this one, little bit larger, so I can like grab it solid. Yeah, you won't feel it's a big sedan. It is because this car is a 4-wheel steering. It makes the large car to the smaller car, so you feel like you're driving a small sedan or compact sedan. So actually, the turning circle is 5.4 meters in a narrow street, and then you feel confident to make a U-turn. Okay, so now I'm going to make a U-turn now. So I'm gonna just the steering wheel like this. Here we go, and then we made it. It definitely like improve the driving experiences. I strongly encourage like all the automakers, like if the car is go over 5 meters, they should add this function. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the interiors. It's amazing interiors as well. All right, here on the brand new, the L7. So the first thing we notice here is all these screens. So there is 39-inch screen on the dash. So that's massive screen over there, and with high definition, high resolution screen as well. And also the center screen here. So this car is equipped like Snapdragon 8155 chips. So that seems pretty responsive as well. Yeah, charging station over here, and then we start. Yeah, that's pretty quick. And over this side, 2K AMOLED display. So for the center control, so we can control the climate here, and also the seat adjustment here, and also the car settings here. So this one, as you guys can see, it's a floating design. And right here, so we have the driver detection sensor. There is hardly any physical buttons in the car. So all the physical buttons, they put like this one, and also this one. But the good thing, if you press the button here, so actually it gives you a feedback, the vibration. You can feel like a zzz. Yeah, so you know you hit the right button or wrong button. And for the steering part here, it comes with the heating function as well. And the seats is leather seats, all leather seats. That's pretty nice and comfy. Of course, for the front 2 seats, we've got a massage function as well. And all 4 seats have the heating functions and the ventilations. And also we can adjust the angles as well. Adjust the seat over here. Okay, so check this part here. So that's the wireless charging pad. So if we put our phone here, and it's automatically lowered to this position, and also down below this part here, there's 2 Type-C port here, and we have a 12-volt socket over here, and also this one is for putting your glasses. And come to this part here, we have 2 cup holders right here, and we have more storage down below here. That's quite deep as well. Open the door. This one we press and hold, and the door is automatically opened. And also this side, so that's the menu switch over here. We can press that one as well. Here on the back seat of the L7, it is a quite large car, so 3.1 meter length. So it's pretty much we have the plenty space over here. And for my leg room here, so I have 1, 2, 3, maybe 3.5 feet room here, but it's not too much support over here. And also over my head part here, so probably have 1 feet room over here for my head room. And also if we fold this down, so we have 2 cup holders. Yeah, we have 2 cup holders here, and of course we have this little storage down here. So I will show you guys more details and more dynamic performance, and also more details in the future about the car systems. But this time, due to the time limits here, so we don't have much time to film this video. So thanks for watching today.